My mornings usually start around 7:15, and I'm usually woken up by my dog Juno, and she just runs onto the bed after being let out by my boyfriend Joe, and she wakes me up, and it's something that used to kind of startle me awake, but now I'm just used to it. So once I wake up, I check some texts and emails, and respond to anything that's urgent, and then I get up and make the bed for the day. So after I'm done making the bed, I head over to the kitchen where I make breakfast, and this day I made breakfast for myself and Joe. I'm aware that that's in packaging, but if you'd like to see more about my grocery haul, you can just hit the card. So I ate breakfast with Joe. He actually ended up not eating his, so I ate his too. And then I head over to the bathroom where I just do all my bathroomy stuff, like take a shower, put some lotion on, which is coconut oil, and brush my teeth. And after I'm done in the bathroom, I get dressed and put on some makeup in my bedroom. Then before I leave the house, I make myself a lunch, and I know a lot of this stuff is in packaging, but I just do my best to minimize the waste on my end by using reusable containers and bringing my own cloth napkin and silverware. And then I am off to school. After my first class, I usually eat some lunch and work on some homework or projects or whatever I have going on. And this day I was actually working on finishing up a final presentation. During the day, I do a lot of online searches, and I've been using Ecosia lately. I'm so excited to announce that I'm partnering with them on this video. Basically, if you're not familiar with Ecosia, the way it works is that they use the profit generated from your searches to plant trees. So you need about 45 searches on average to plant a tree. As you guys probably know from watching my channel, I'm all about simple ways to make a positive impact, and I think using Ecosia is a really easy way to make a difference. If you want to check out Ecosia, I'll leave a link in the box down below, so make sure that you click on it so that we can see how many trees our community helps to plant.
Touch the fire.
So after my third class of the day, it's already 7 o'clock. It's really when I start to wind down on my commute home, and as soon as I come home, I change into some comfy clothes and make myself dinner. This night I had a buffalo chicken wrap, of course not real chicken, corn, chicken, and after dinner I veg, and tonight I chose to watch TV. Some nights I might get in a chore or two, but this night I was just really feeling a relaxed night. And then once I'm done unwinding for the day, I head into the bathroom, do all my bathroomly things again, and put Juno in her crate for the night, and I head to bed. Hey guys, I just finished editing this video. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing what I do on a typical day at school. I go to school about 2 times a week, sometimes 3, but 2 days full time. So yeah, that's usually what I do. Leave a comment down below if you'd like to see more videos like this one. I could maybe do a day in my life when I work, or on a day off, or something like that. I also wanted to briefly address the trash situation because this is a zero waste college student day in the life, and I fully and openly admit that I am not 100% zero waste, but I am on a journey to lower my waste. So this is the jar of trash that I produced for that day, and I have 2 or 3 little tinfoil things and a piece of plastic. I had also strawberry, tomato, and a Q-tip that I will be putting in my composter. If you want to see a video about how I compost in my apartment, I can make an entirely different video on that. But yeah, I just wanted to address the whole trash thing. But anyway, disclaimer aside, I hope you enjoyed that, and I also hope that I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!